Did you hide your bars?
No.
Can you show me? Okay, can you click it and show me how you do it?
Click.
As in, I wanna. No, you press it. I'll watch it.
Fucking rip, my daggers broke.
Just repair.
I don't have a repair.
I'll drop one down.
Fucking rip.
I hate this shit. I miss healing.
Were your daggers broken too, or?
Shut the fuck up.
Nana, get ready. 3 seconds.
Back to Zul, 30.
This is Khan.
Ki, 3 seconds. Get ready.
Sorry, man.
This is second pot.
I got green.
Lens, get ready. Third soak now.
It's Jimmy.
Okay.
Wentz is on there twice.
Foo shatter. Hammer.
Do you want totem now?
That's not looking too bad. But if we get that out into a tray, it'd be looking pretty nice.
Good job, guys.
30 crusher.
Everyone stack up in the middle.
Survive.
Be behind the ball. Melee.
Get the crusher down.
Full coming up. Next soak, trilateral.
Grip rom. Tied it. Someone dispel rom.
Soak. Who's next?
Can I get too early bomb? That's fine.
Next soaker, get ready. It's coming now.
Be behind the balls, guys.
I don't have master spell.
Get Exodia.
Roll move up.
Grip and try light.
Grip. I have no grip, I'm just spelling.
Focus. All rogues on balls.
Soak.
Dispel.
Torn it.
Link it.
Jump in.
Yeah.
Coming.
I might help to CC the Black Hexer.
BRS Kia.
An Eco coming.
BRS Kia.
Nah, get Exodia.
Soak.
You torn it too.
Now.
You torn it too.
Dave
Get
done.
Renza back. Get roll back.
Whatever cooldown
Focus, yeah.
release.
Dispel.
Soak now.
Move out.
I torn.
Healer.
Use everything.
Okay.
Soak.
Kill it.
Kill the fucking boss, dude. Blow it up. Well fucking done, dude. You done it.
Got it.
Well done.
How the fuck have to do that shit? Fuck you. Yes.
What an easy ball. I like that.
Ah,
So it's simple, you just repair your daggers and the boss dies.
Yeah, no, right?
Dude, I fucking told you. You guys,
Oh,
like,
man.
you guys fucking have